Miss Annalyn, good afternoon. Can you tell me about yourself? What's your full name?
I'm Annalyn Sigigo Ansola.
Okay. Your age, ma'am?
I'm 37 years of age.
Okay. Where do you live?
I live in Purukpar, Camas Road, Tukok Tinarian, Bataan.
What's your current marital status? Are you single or married?
I'm single.
Do you have kids?
Yes, I have 3 kids.
Okay. Can you indicate the age of your children and gender?
I have three kids and all these daughters.
Okay.
And 18,
Uh-huh.
16, and 3 years old.
Okay. How many siblings do you have?
I have 3 kids.
How many siblings do you have, ma'am?
I have 2.
Are you the eldest?
No, I'm
Are you the second or youngest?
youngest.
Okay. Tell me about your educational background. Did you finish high school or college?
I finished high school.
Can you please state the reason why you did not finish college, ma'am?
Financial.
Okay. Do you have work experience abroad?
Yes, I have experience.
In what country, ma'am?
Riyadh, Saudi.
For how many years?
3 years.
What are your duties and responsibilities, ma'am?
I have take care of babies and special child.
Okay. Did you finish your contract, ma'am?
Yes.
Okay. How would you describe yourself?
I'm hardworking, honest, and trustworthy.
Do you have any tattoo in your body?
No,
Did you undergo to any kind of surgery?
no.
Why do you want to work abroad?
For my future, for the future of my children.
Are you scared of dogs and cats?
No.
Give me your idea how can you take care of naughty children and children with tantrums?
I take care of the babies, storybooks, and react calmly.
Okay, your last question. What is your message to your future employer?
A message to my future employer is I have work hard, trustworthy, and multitasking. If you have a babies, I love them all. And if you have rules and regulation, I will follow.
Okay, thank you, ma'am.